Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Here I am with Danny for the 1 year follow-up. Danny, you look absolutely amazing. I am so excited for you. Did we live up to our expectations?
You surpass any expectations I had. I went into this procedure not really knowing much. I just called you on a whim. I saw your Instagram and I was like, you know what? I don't need to look any further. Quick consultation, a lot of trust, trust in the right place, and I'm very, very happy right now.
So before he even came to me, he had an SMP. So he had micropigmentation over the top of his head, but he was definitely a full Norwood 5 going on a Norwood 6. A lot to area worked with, but I did focus on the frontal third and the crown area. I felt that that was the most important area that I wanted to focus on to get the maximum benefit for you. Even after the procedure, you said you SMP'd or tattooed the incision site, which was already pretty much invisible, would you say?
Yeah, it was barely there. When I would get a fresh cut, I couldn't even see it. Maybe like about 10 days into growth, I could see it a bit. So about let's say 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, I just got another rung of SMP done, and it's practically invisible at this point.
What do your friends and family say? I think that's always the most important thing.
When you just don't need words, you can read facial expressions. That's how it is. I have clients come up to me and they're like, wow, like your hair looks incredible. And they're just staring and you catch them looking and like, who is this guy? But for myself, my self-confidence is, kind of where it was like 10, 15 years ago. I don't have to make those weekly trips to the barber anymore. I'm like every 2 weeks, even 3 weeks. And everything just feels great again.
And that's how it is with me. So this is all hair transplant. That I was pretty much a Norwood 5 going on a Norwood 6 also. And yeah, now every 3 weeks I have to go get a haircut. I have to make
Yeah.
sure I get a haircut for my hair to look the best.
Yeah.
Um, if you had to look back, did you wait too long to have a hair transplant? Were you too nervous about the strip procedure? Tell us all of these things.
I just never considered ever looking at it. I seen most of the kind of Instagram or marketing I saw was not to people of my ethnicity. So I never really thought or considered it for myself. But I saw landed on your page and saw many different types of persons there, and I was like, okay, this is for me. And I wish I had done it sooner. I noticed this thinning about maybe like 6, 7 years ago, but again, I just sat on it. My brother is way more advanced than me, and then I was like, I'm starting to look like him. So, I decided, you know what, let's go get this done.
Well, if you don't mind, I would love for you to put your chin down so we can see the top, and then turn your head to the left for like a 2 seconds, to the right,
There's,
and let people take a look at what we're
okay, so there's the top,
absolutely amazing.
and there's the left.
Can't even see the incision site.
Let's see if I can get this done right. Can you see that, or can you?
That I see the beautiful view. But
No,
everything's good because
there,
perfect, perfect.
there. I'll try to turn my head. I think there.
Wow, you look absolutely amazing, and I want to congratulate you. Happy hair anniversary, and you look amazing.
Thank you very much, Dr. Siegel.
Thank you for your time and thank you for doing this for us.
Okay, thanks a lot. Say hi to your techs for me. They're the best techs I've ever encountered before. What a funny group.
Of course, I will tell them you said hello, and that is part of what you get with the package. You
Yeah,
get full entertainment, a lot of time spent together.
yeah.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.